Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts.
Today we are taking a look at the latest and greatest from Rolex, which is the Oyster Perpetual Pistachio color in the 36mm size. Now, this watch was released back in March of 2025, and as you can imagine, with the lovely new color, it was quite coveted. So, Rolex released 3 new colors to the Oyster Perpetual line in March 2025, and they were the pistachio, which we're looking at today, a beige color, as well as a lavender, which is like a pastel purple. Now, Rolex introduced these 3 colors as the new faces in an array of colors that celebrate the meeting of pastel shades, vibrant lacquering, and a smooth matte finish. Now, there is a definite craze for pastel going on right now, and I have to say I am here for it. I do love this pastel green. I think this is probably the one or two most coveted of the 3 because it is green and because Rolex's brand color is green. This one is definitely going to have some staying power. It is definitely going to be pretty desired. It's also the most unisex of the 3 new colors. Now, the Oyster Perpetual comes in a variety of different sizes, all the way from a 28mm through a 41, with sizes of 31, 34, and 36 in between. Now, what that does is it actually makes it accessible to pretty much anybody. So, the Oyster Perpetual is considered unisex, and especially with this kind of subdued matte pastel color, I do think that this one in particular, this pistachio color, is going to be quite usable by all. Now, I personally prefer the 36mm for my wrist. I do have a smaller wrist. However, I also really like an oversized wrist. So I think most folks are going to be in that camp where they prefer the 36 or the 41. But here is how it fits on my wrist. I do have to take out quite a few links. I believe I took out 3 for this to fit on my wrist. Now let's briefly talk about material. This only comes in oyster steel, so there is not any gold involved here. So that is what is going to keep the price down. So let's talk about price. The 36mm is $6,350 in 2025. Keep in mind these prices do go up, but that is the current rate for any of the colors. The 41 is $6,650. Now that is on the lower end for Rolex, just given the material and the profile. That is all we have for this unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.